Superlife, life is super. How are you guys? Dr.Maha here from Malaysia. Okay, we are now in the second week of March. We are almost half of the month is gone, and in fact, March is the best time for us to look into our goals very seriously. Whatever goals that you have started beginning of the year, this is a time for you to look into it more seriously. And why? Because anything you focus will increase. Normally in Malaysia, the first 2 months is like a holiday month because January is mostly a lot of festivals, and then February is the festivals because of Chinese New Year and all that. And I think so the whole world is like that. And then we slowly get into the gear of getting into things in March, and then we take off. So now, how to take off now in a big way? You need to revisit your goals, guys. You need to revisit the goals that you have set, and then you need to do 3 things. And that 3 things is, first you need to really define what you want. If your why to do is strong enough, your how to do will be easy enough. So you need to have a very crystal clear definition of what you want by end of this year. So define your goals. Secondly, you need to refine yourself. You see, you need to become the person that needs to achieve the goal, not the person who's fighting for the goal or person who was before without no success and all that. So you need to become that person. So you need to refine yourself. Then thirdly, you need to confine yourself. What do you mean by confine? Once you already set your mind to do something, then once you already refine yourself with a lot of knowledge and changing your attitude, your skills and your habits, then you just need to focus on what you want. And how do you do that? Very simple. First, what do you want to become by end of this year? That must be crystal clear. That is what we say by the word defining your life. So one way in Superlife, since we all have taken Superlife as a serious game plan, then we need to have a crystal clear picture in our mind what we want to become in Superlife. So for that, you need to have 369 game plan. This is Nikola Tesla's using our energy. See, what we see is not the truth. What we feel is our truth. And that feeling comes from the energy that we are. So to do that, you need to write down. This must be written down. Take a journal, take a piece of book. And if you're already doing that, do that every day consistently. First thing, 3 times in the morning, you must write it down. You initiate your goals. Afternoon, you must write it down 6 times. At night, 9 times. So what must you write? I am so happy and excited that I am a crown diamond earning 100,000 USD by 31st December 2021. I am so happy and excited that I am a crown diamond earning 100,000 USD by 31st December 2021. And you write it down, and write it down. 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times at night. When you write down in the morning 3 times, you are initiating that goal. Afternoon, you are amplifying it. And at night, you are now completing it. And when you do that every day, that's the message you are sending to your universe, to the universe. You see, today, we are not sending the right messages to the universe. Why? Because our mind is like a jungle guy. And that's why the ancient masters call it Wana. Wana means jungle. And in Buddhism, why the Chinese call the crematorium as Nirvana. Nir means flow like a water. That means you flow away from the jungle. Okay, you flow. That's why it's called Nirvana. In Tamil, the ancient Tamilians, they say Vanakkam. Vanakkam means it's also greeting to another person, and in a way it's a symbol to say the other person, tell the other person. Vana means a jungle. Akkam means to take control of the mind, or you be the commander of your mind. That's what we meant, commander of the mind. And the mind must come under our command. How do we do that? We give a picture to the mind what we want. Otherwise, the mind becomes your commander. And how does the mind become your commander? Because mind resists lots of information. Today we are bombarded by information. There is no shortage of information, guys. And if you are having WhatsApp and you look into your WhatsApp, a lot of information are coming with no sense about that. If you are watching TV, at least there will be a sense about that. If you are watching a movie, there's a sense about that. But WhatsApp is a direct, non-edited, and no sense about it. It comes direct to you. And if you watch all that, too much information goes into your system now, and your mind confuses you. And then you get all kinds of vibrations, sometimes happy, sometimes sad. And that what controls us. And that emotion is what we call as ego emotion. So how do you now tap into your energy emotion? You give a crystal clear picture of what you want. And when you concentrate on what you want, and anything you focus will increase, then your fundamental energy, LOVE, lots of vibrating energy will work for you. Your passion will work for you. And that's why they say take a passion and make it happen. So in life, you can either wait for things to happen, or you can make things happen, or you can wonder what happened. So let us not wonder what happened. Let us not wait for things to happen. Let us make things happen. So take it seriously, guys. This is the best time to start. This is the best month to start. And anything you focus and increase. Even if you join us today, you will take our system seriously. You will take our plan seriously. And you do three things. Hard work. Hard work begins with writing this down every day. That's a hard work. Then system work. You must work with the system. Every day, just talk to 5 new people on Facebook. Facebook is a system. Instagram is a system. 5 new people. You don't have to bombard into that pages. You just have to bring 5 people into a chat room and then ask them, have you heard of Superlife? So you start with that. 5 people every day. And 5 people every day, 5 times a week, you'll have 25 people. In a month, you'll have 100 people. If you talk to 100 people, 100 new people every month, if you don't get a single person, that means something is wrong with your skills. Okay, all you need to do, ask them is, have you heard of Superlife? That's all. All these young guys who have started with us, that's what they are doing. And because they're doing it consistently, and they're getting people joining them. Okay, guys, so first hard work is setting your mind on the right path to success. Clarity is power. Second hard work is working on the system and inviting people. You see, work with strangers, you'll be more professional, guys. So get the strangers. A stranger is a friend that you have not met and spoken to. And today the stranger can come from anywhere in the world. Okay, you can bring them in. And then thirdly is teamwork. Work until you get a team of 10 with you. Team of 10 serious people who want to work with you seriously. And then once you get the 10, forget about your own goals, forget about your own dreams. Help those 10 people and work with them. And then soon the 10 will become 100, 100 will become 1,000. And then once it comes to that level, then it's unstoppable, guys. So take time, make time. Take time to set your goals. Take time to write your goals. Take time to look at your goals. And then take time to work with the system. Take time to work with your team. And soon, you too can be a crown diamond. Crown 2021. Crown B1 2021. Crown B1 2021. Superlife, life is super. With lots of love, Dr. Maha signing off from Malaysia.